Thanks to the FDA alert, we have learned that certain imported cookware may be contaminated with lead.
The imported cookware includes those made from aluminum, brass, or aluminum alloys with catchy names like Hindalium or Indalium, might be adding a little extra spice to your meals. Spoiler, it's not the good kind. Cooking with these products could cause lead to leach into food, contributing to elevated lead levels in the blood. Suddenly, that homemade curry has a whole new meaning. Forget spices, we're talking metals. It all started with a tip-off from the Public Health Department of Seattle and King County. They were investigating high blood lead levels in refugee populations and found the culprit, cookware that's more toxic than your ex's texts. But why stop at lead? Let's make dinner a full chemistry experiment. A pinch of lead, a dash of brass, and a side of regret. Who needs a Michelin star when you can have heavy metal poisoning instead? All jokes aside, this is serious. Lead exposure can cause all kinds of issues, especially for kids. Learning disabilities, behavioral problems, and even lowered IQ. And let's be real, none of us can afford to lose brain cells these days. So what can you do? If you've been using cookware identified by Public Health Seattle and King County, stop immediately. First, check the link in the description to see the list of affected items. These are some of the images of affected cookware. But remember, it's only certain lots of these cookware, so click the link to the site with lot number, purchase dates, and manufacturer information. Second, replace those pots immediately with something safe. Third, if you're worried about lead exposure, don't Google symptoms. Talk to your healthcare provider. And for all you retailers out there, the FDA is watching. If you're selling these toxic pots, consider this your eviction notice. No more unhealthy imports. FDA is on to you. So here's the bottom line. Home cooking should bring people together, not send them to the doctor. Let's keep the heavy metals where they belong, in your playlist, not your pantry. If you want to continue our toxic cooking series, check out the link for FDA Cookie Alert, Lead in Cinnamon. And remember, if it is an FDA alert, ingest it. Keep it cooking and lose the lead.